Hey everyone, how's it going? Since March Madness is going on and everyone is so excited about basketball, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a basketball surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our basketball surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and I'm going to give it another fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, I want to make a circle in the middle. And I'm going to use this circle template to help me draw my circle. So to begin, you want to make a sad face on top. And then we just want to make a smiley face on the bottom. Now, I'm going to put a little face down here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle here. I'm going to color in a black dot inside each one for the pupil. Then I'm going to make a curve, and I'm going to go down and up for the mouth. I'll make a curve for the tongue, and then I'll just color this in for the mouth. Now, to make this look like a basketball, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to go in and out. We'll do another one here. We're going to go in and out. And then we'll just draw a line that's just going to come right up here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our basketball. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a big sad face like this. Then I'm going to curve this line here, and we'll do the same thing on this side. And then we'll bring this line up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve this line in like a big sad face to kind of shape out the basketball. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my circle template again, and I'm going to kind of fill this area up with different size basketballs. So I'm going to start right here, and let's put one here. So I'm going to make one that's just going to go right here. Then I'm going to put like a smaller one right here. I'm going to put a bigger one over here. Then I'm going to put another kind of bigger one back here. Let's put a smaller one over here. Then we'll do another kind of smaller one over here on this side. We'll do one right here, kind of a small one, kind of hiding back there. Then I'm going to make one kind of coming out over here, just on its own. And then I want to put another one right over here. Now, next what I want to do is I'm going to take this line, and I'm going to bring this in, and I'm going to bring this in. Let's bring this line down. We'll bring this line down, and we'll curve this one, kind of curve it a little bit. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve across here to make it look like a basketball. Now, on the rest of these, I want to add some like fun little faces and everything. So let's start over here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle and a circle. We'll make our little pupils in there. We'll make our mouth, and then I'm going to make a line that goes down and up for the tongue. And I'll put a little line in there. Make a line that goes down and over for the teeth, and another line down for the mouth. And you can just kind of color that in. Now for the lines on this basketball, I'm just going to draw a curve here. We'll make a curve here, and then one here. And then we'll just bring this across. Now let's do this one over here. Now on this one, I'm going to make a line here. It's kind of like a sideways V, and another one here. I'm going to make a smile with a big open mouth. Do a curve here for the tongue, and then just color in the mouth. We'll bring this line down here. We'll make a curve here and a small one here. And we're just going to bring this line across. Now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here, and then we'll make a second line here. It kind of looks like he's wearing a headband. I'll make a circle for an eye, and then a circle for an eye. And then we're going to put 2 dots in here. And then I'm going to give this one some kind of like angry eyebrows, so it looks like it's really serious. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and up. And then we'll just connect it. We'll make a line across, and then a couple lines up for the teeth. I'll kind of curve this line up to here. Then I'll draw a line like this. And then we'll just make another line go right through here. Next, over here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. And I'm going to give this one some cute eyes. So we'll just make 2 circles in there and kind of color in the rest. And then we'll give it kind of like that little cute kawaii mouth. I'll make a bump here and a bump here for the details. We'll make a line here and then a line right here. Next, right up here, I'm going to give this one some sunglasses. So I'm just going to draw a line across. Then I'm going to make 2 big bumps. We'll make a couple diagonal lines in here. And then we'll kind of color in the rest of this just to kind of fill in our lines for our sunglasses. So let's fill in this area here. I'm going to make this area kind of come out a little bit. Give him a little smile. Then we'll make our bump and our bump. We'll do our curve here and then a line right down the middle. Next, right here, I'm just going to make a little dot and a little dot. And then we'll make our little mouth here with a tongue. We'll draw a little line down. And then we'll do some bumps with a line across. Next, over here, we'll make a circle for an eye and a circle for an eye. Put a dot in each one. And we won't even add a mouth to this. We'll just kind of give him some eyebrows. Give him like some suspicious eyebrows. Make one higher than the other. And then we can just draw a curve. And then a couple curves. And then a line across. Maybe he's suspicious why all these basketballs have faces on them. Next, this one, I'm going to make a little sideways V and an open eye. We'll do a little curve or a little dot in there. And then we'll just make like a funny mouth with some teeth and a tongue. Then I'll do a bump here, and then one here, and then one right down the middle. Next, our last one over here, let's make a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. We'll put a dot in each one for the pupil. We'll make a curve for the mouth, and then we're going to make like a tongue sticking out. And then we're going to make the mouth here just like this. Then we'll do a curve and a curve. We'll bring this line down and then a line right here. And we'll make some little lines like this so it looks like he's kind of bouncing away. And there you go. There is your drawing of a basketball surprise fold. Now you can leave off these faces or you can do your own faces. There's lots of different ways you guys can do this. There's just some kind of like fun little designs that you can try. So when I have it all folded up, I've got this happy little basketball. And then when we open it, it turns into a bunch in there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.